see-through, transparent, sheer mesh style, try-on, dress, popular and bright colors. In this video, you will see my style. Enjoy watching. Honestly, this material, this is so soft, add radiance to their style. Perfect for those who